It's time to unleash the protection of dual cameras.
Dual cameras? What can they do?
We help you see everything, everywhere, always.
That's amazing. That's how I always wanted to hide.
That's cheating.
I also have 360 degrees pan and tilt to help keep track of everything.
What's going on?
Max came by a few minutes ago. Active AI tracking's got it all on camera.
No, you did not. Max!
Sorry, Max. Seems like there's stranger danger in the front yard. Wanna check it out?
Go away!
That camera is really something. What else can it do?
So much more. You can always count on us to keep you safe 24/7.
It's just great having you around.
That's nothing. Don't forget you can connect Flutlight Cam with Homebase S380 to enjoy local storage and no monthly fee.
Multi-dimensional protection is that easy.